I'm here in the heart of the South Island. What could be more challenging trying to catch a trout in the deepest part of a forest stream? I spotted a rising trout just beneath some tree branches. After setting up my camera, I've managed to sneak up quite close behind the fish. Made a cast and the fish took it on my first cast. I was using a size 14 Dad's favorite, imitating the local mayflies. I had my 5-weight Epic Black Mamba fly rod, and I fought this fish with a 4X tippet.
Beautiful fish.
This beautiful brown trout weighs just over 4 pounds.